Hello and welcome. My name is Evan Crall, and this is the moment you've all been waiting for. We have the deliverable 7, which is the summary of the final project. So let's go ahead and take one last look at the animation. Not much has changed since last time. The design has basically stayed exactly the same. We have the servo in the back that is sweeping, making the surfboard move back and forth. And that will be operated by a proximity sensor, which will be the input mechanism, and there will be more information about the exact details of the proximity sensor and how it affects the design later on. Okay, so here is the final block diagram. This is identical to the last time we had to make the block diagram for a video, and that's because nothing's changed. We have the Arduino being controlled by the proximity sensor from a person or an object, which controls the stepper motor and the LEDs via the Arduino code, and that moves the surfboard and the surfer. All right, so here's the final version of my project titled Surf's Up Dude. First things first, we have the box, which had to be incorporated in this project. That is being used as the base of the whole project. As you can see in the front, we have a proximity sensor mounted. That is the primary input mechanism and the primary control mechanism for this project. Then it might be kind of hard to see now, but there are 4 blue LEDs mounted to the front top of the box. And then, of course, we have the wave. We have the surfer and the surfboard. Those are all 3D printed and painted with multiple layers of acrylic paint. And then lastly, we have through the hole in the middle of the wave, inside the wave is a stepper motor, and that is the primary mechanical motor for this project. All right, so basically how this works, it's wired via USB cable out of the box, out of the back. It's plugged into the wall, the USB cable is, that is. And then in order to operate the whole project, the proximity sensor is set to activate once something gets within 15 centimeters of the box. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate with my hand. Once you get right to about the 15 centimeter mark, it'll go ahead and activate. The surfer sweeps all the way to the left and then sweeps all the way back to the right while the LEDs are turned on, and then it stops. If we keep something directly in front of it for the duration of the loop, it'll just keep on going, and so it'll keep sweeping back and forth forever, basically. So that's my project. It's simple yet beautiful, and I am very